All right, folks, we're at the Kinzua Dam, Kinzu Ma'am, Kinzu.
The Kinzua Dam.
We're at the Madonna place, Matana, whatever it is.
Makuna Makana.
We're at the Kinzua Dam.
Kinzua Dam.
Hey, the YMCA. Let's sing it.
YMCA. I take you to the YMCA. Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't have asked that if I wasn't rolling. You know that.
We got everybody.
I can see the beginning of the video now. Let's sing YMCA, and you guys doing that.
See? You have to as soon as you hear that song.
It's impossible, right?
Even the dumbest person in the world could do the YMCA letters.
Yeah, you just can't stop once the category going.
All right, folks, YMCA, is there any other songs that when you hear it, you can't get it out of your mind? And I hate when that happens. Somebody will sing something, and all day you're like, crap, I can't stop thinking about that. YMCA is one of those songs.
Hi, kayak people! They probably can't see me to wave back.
Are there kayak people?
Yes, there's kayak people. That's people that ride kayaks.
Are there paddle boat people? Do they have paddle boats?
Paddle boat people.
There are paddle boat people.
Wow.
And then there's some people that I like to call the anti-paddle boat people. That would be you. And who's just so against it, so against the friendship. He's like, you know what, I'm not going to have a cup of coffee with you, and I'm not getting on a paddle boat. There's a boat. There's a boat.
You know, the next time I go to a place that has a paddle boat on the outside, I'm just going to sit in and take a selfie and send it to you.
Yeah, well, I guess I'll have to... You know what I'll do? I'll Photoshop myself in with you. I'll take one on the other side.
You would do that, too.
I
could so see that.
I'll Photoshop it.
I'm concerned that we're talking about it right now, that on your video there is going to be a picture of you and me in a paddle boat, and it never happened, people.
It never happened.
Oh, look at that down there to the right. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Find one for you two to ride on.
Hey, folks, I had to bring you back. Look at how beautiful this is. Great roads, great scenery, great friends. It's all good news. What is that river there?
Allegheny River.
Is it the Allegheny River?
We're in the Allegheny National Forest.
Wow. Wow. What do you think, Mrs. Bodine?
Beautiful.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? So tell us about the Kinzua Dam.
The Kinzua Dam was actually a man-made dam. It was dug out back in 1962. And the reason they dug the dam out was because the locals didn't have enough fresh water to drink. So...
Okay, folks. I would like a vote right now. Do you think HDR just made that up? Because we did not say, hey, let's give people information on the dam. I just started talking about it, and he went like he was reading from an encyclopedia. So the question is that the truth or not?
Yes, that's the truth.
Really?
Yes.
And how do you know all this?
Yeah, how do you know that?
That old timer was up there last time we came up there and told us that.
Mrs. HDR is calling BS on her own husband right now, I'm thinking. Well, folks, we're out looking for a place to have a camp at. We were thinking maybe this could be it right here. What do you think?
I think that's where you want to be.
Yeah.
Look, you're right on the water.
You're on the water. There's plenty of bricks and stuff to weigh down. It's perfect, actually.
Could be plenty of mosquitoes.
Yeah, it's probably nice.
Can't see the bottom.
Yeah, so you got people across the way, kayaking. I don't know, I think we should put an offer in today. Look, they got the stuff hanging. Do you see that, Mrs. Bodine?
I see.
They're even dressing the place up.
Not my cup of tea.
Hey, can you be careful of that water?
This is a full one.
This is full. This isn't going to fly out at you.
If this baby flies out, you better duck.
Yeah, you better.
Why do you think I have my shield on my helmet?
Well, we're going to eat first.
Yeah, see, it goes that way.
Yeah.
We'll come back.
Let's eat and then explore.
I guess it's up there.
Yeah. Longhorn Drive. Wait, that's over there.
Wow. This is beautiful. Bootafull. Beautiful. There's a little beach down there. What do you think, Mrs. Bodine?
Yep, can't see the bottom.
I can't see the bottom. You're not getting in it.
I ain't getting it.
I gotcha. And we're going to stop at the Marina, Kinzua Dam Marina, Docksiders. Wolf Run Marina.
Need a boat trailer?
You pick a whatever color you want.
We could we should get a bunch of for sale signs and just stand up there.
Yeah.
Or you should do that, and I'll get that on video.
We need those human billboards I told you about.
There you go.
That was just a stop and go.
That was a stop and go?
Yeah. Can we get off?
No.
Can you?
I'll give you room up here.
All right, thank you, buddy. All right, folks, we just ate.
Okay, we're good.
That was pretty good food, wasn't it?
Very good.
Hey, glad you liked it.
Now we're going to the dam, damn it.
Damn it.
So you guys have never been up here. This is the scenic overlook of the Kinzua Dam.
Yes,
Yep.
we have never
there.
been up here. You are leading us for our first ride up here.
Woohoo!
Like a virgin. Woo! Looking for the very first time. Woo!
So, folks, when you watch an HDR video, do you ever see any of that? Or is he just like crazy around me?
I think that both of you bring something out of each other. That's right.
So we are going a long way, folks, for an overlook. So if you don't hear from us and there's no future videos, about 2 minutes back I showed you a sign, come look for our bodies, please. And please post our videos, whatever we have.
People walking through the woods over there.
Really?
Yeah, we went right past them.
Bigfoot?
No. You're right.
All right, folks, this is the overlook that we just drove through the middle of a jungle on gravel for to see.
I'm not taking this off. It's really hard. I guess you can see better up there.
Hey, women, turn around.
No.
Turn around. Ready? Smile. Got it.
How can you see us smiling? Well, maybe mine more than hers, but okay, smile.
No. There's the Kinzua Dam. How we get into that?
Right down through there.
Yeah, right down
Taking
here.
a tube and sliding down that on snow.
Yeah, there you go.
That was fun.
Very cool.
Damn it.
It's no worry be.
Trying to save you all from HDR singing. But
What's wrong with my singing? Why don't you guys like my singing? And if you were on a vacation, you could have got 2,000 miles of me singing.
Oh, yeah. You missed it. Thanks. Poor man.
Missed it all.
Where are you going, hon?
I'm going to go down here. So I can back out a little bit
All
easier.
right, folks, the Kinzua Dam. And Mrs. Bodine trying to get it together. And the HDRs. Pretty cool seeing that water come off. What do you think, Mrs. Bodine?
Awesome.
Awesome? Isn't that cool, folks? Restricted area, keep out. Let's go in there. Hello.
How you doing?
Go Steelers. Go Blue. Wow, what do you think, folks?
I gotta tell you what, it is beautiful out here. Very beautiful out here. Force protection level Bravo. Anybody know what that means? Bravo, force protection level. Notice. This seems wrong.
Trying to figure out a way to get in there, Mr. Modine?
Yeah, what do you think? No?
Look how the water comes out of that dam.
Oh, that's kind of neat. Don't you think? Oh, that's cool. Alright folks, I've been thinking about doing a vlog on things we missed when we were younger. Okay, for any of you that are under 30, do you know what this is?
Oh, look, it's 50 cents. It used to be a dime.
Yeah, but you're like 90. So,
Hey.
hello?
Hello?
This is HDR trying to figure out how to work on a payphone.
Any money in it?
So when we were kids, if there was a bunch of payphones, we'd always put our finger in the coin slot to get some cash. I almost what makes me want to put like $1 in there or something to screw with somebody. This is neat. All right, Mrs. Bodine, let's have the educational part of the vlog, okay? Kinzua Dam.
Length of dam, 1,897.
Nice.
Maximum height of dam, 179. Earth fill in cubic yards. That's a lot.
3 million.
Yeah. Concrete in cubic yards and penstock diameter in foot, 19.
Wow, pipes through the dam, 19. Pretty cool.
We're down in the valley.
Yep. What were you saying, Mrs. Bodine?
So it's very awesome how those trees, how they grow on the mountain.
Yeah. That's pretty cool up there, isn't it?
Be nice for a cooler.
Beer.
Here, here. Right, 6.6 miles.
The Kinzua Dam. That was pretty cool.
Glad you liked it. Good ride.
Yeah. Appreciate the recommendation. Alrighty, folks. We are almost home. We had an amazing day with the HDRs and the ride up to Kinzua Dam. But it is time to call it a day. And it's been a long one. So thanks for checking in with us. Thanks for riding the ride with us. And we just had an incredible time. So, hey, be safe out there. Again, thanks for checking in. Thanks for looking into the channel. And we will make sure to talk to you soon. Be safe.